Hello and welcome to Forex.Academy, your #1 website for Forex and crypto education and analysis. In today's edition, we're going to be taking a look at BitMEX In-Depth Guide Part 1 of 5. Bitcoin Mercantile Exchange, better known as BitMEX, is one of the biggest Bitcoin trading platforms currently operating. Its daily trading volume is often 35,000 Bitcoin monthly. It can also pride itself with over 540,000 monthly accesses, as well as a trading volume of over 34 billion in Bitcoin since it started operating. Unlike many other crypto trading platforms, BitMEX only accepts Bitcoin deposits. They can then be used to purchase a variety of cryptocurrencies. BitMEX specializes in advanced financial operations, such as margin trading. BitMEX is currently working without any regulation, much like many other exchanges. It was founded by HDR Global Trading Limited in 2014 and registered in the Seychelles. Its owners and creators are former bankers Arthur Hayes, Samuel Reed, and Ben Dalo. BitMEX's team comprises of many people, including experienced developers, economists, as well as high-frequency algorithm traders. Signing up to BitMEX. To create a BitMEX account, users have to register with the website. Registration is extremely quick, as it only requires an email address. The email address, however, must be a genuine address because users will receive a registration confirmation email in order to verify their account. Once registered, users have absolutely no trading limits. Traders must be at least 18 years old to sign up. BitMEX, however, does not accept US-based traders. The company will use IP checks to verify that their users are not in the US. Some US users manage to bypass this restriction with the use of a VPN. It's not exactly recommended, though, for US individuals to sign up for BitMEX platform. How to use BitMEX. BitMEX allows its users to trade various cryptocurrencies against various fiat currencies. Users can trade their cryptocurrency against the USD, the Japanese yen, as well as China's currency. BitMEX allows its users to trade quite a bit of different cryptocurrencies which are included in the list here. BitMEX trading platform is considered very intuitive and easy to use for users that are familiar with advanced trading platforms. However, a beginner may have a hard time following everything on the screen. The interface looks a little dated when compared to some of the newer exchanges such as Binance or KuCoin. Once signed up and logged in, traders can click on Trade, where they will find a trading instrument available. Clicking on the instruments opens the order book, recent trades, as well as the order slip on the left. The order book will show 3 columns: bid value for the underlying asset, quantity of the order, and total USD value of orders. This includes both shorts and longs. Trading widgets can be changed and customized according to the user's viewing preferences. This allows users to have full and absolute control over what is displayed and how. On top of that, BitMEX provides its users with TradingView charting. This feature offers a wide range of charting tools provided by TradingView platform. Once a user enters a trade, they can see all orders in the trading platform interface. Tabs showing users their active orders, stops that are in place, orders filled, as well as the trade history can easily be found on the main screen. Even though BitMEX is optimized for mobile use, it only has an unofficial Android app. There are no iOS apps available at the moment. However, trading using so many advanced features might require using a desktop or laptop in order to comprehend everything happening on the screen. Types of orders at BitMEX. Traders are not limited to only simple buying and selling on BitMEX. BitMEX offers various order types for users. The following order types available are listed here. Make sure to watch the second part of our BitMEX in-depth guide, where we will look into BitMEX's future and swaps leverage trades as well as fees. If you enjoyed the video, then please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below about anything you would like us to discuss in future, or if you have any questions about this particular video. Have a great day.